Muhammad Umar Kamal, selling homemade biryani in the scorching sun on the street of Islamabad with a Pakistani flag on his shirt. Umar Kamal was a lecturer as well as motivational speaker, but hard time made him to become a roadside vendor. He being unemployed for over 4 years, stepped it up with his wife and started the new phase of struggle. Umar Kamal's story of challenges and struggles has made Pakistani emotional and motivated at the same time. He received his training in enterprise management from LUMS and a high-ranking University of Canada. But due to shortage of jobs in the market of Pakistan, he faced major financial crisis. Lubna, the wife of Umar Kamal, proved to his other better half in the crisis and they decided to start by selling biryani on roadside. Lubna being a home chef, prepare the meal and Umar sell it and earn rickshaw halal for his family. Due to lack of investment in their homemade biryani startup, they were unable to afford the rent of any outlet and Umar started selling homemade biryani in his car. According to Umar, he cried for a 3 months in front of his Lord and asked for forgiveness and prayed to get a better future. And this was the time when he actually came up with an idea of selling food on the street of Islamabad. For 4 years, he asked all of his cooperative colleagues to get him a suitable job, but unfortunately, not a single person support him apart from his wife, who is still supporting him to grow his new venture of homemade biryani. He further added that when he first stepped out on the road to ask people to taste his food, he was totally broken by being helpless. However, at that time, he did not quit and again stepped out of his car to sell the food. The job of roadside vendor is not common in our society for well educated people. However, the same people are fine, but being a roadside vendor in a foreign country, why? Because this is the prescription of the society where people have made this small business hard to do or accept from an person belong a middle class or elite class. Umar started. Umar is a patriotic Pakistani and he want to make life easy for everyone who is struggling to find a job in Pakistan by himself, being a great example. He now feel no shame as he is earning in a halal way and want order to also step up for themselves to Pakistan, a better and easy place to live.